Ladies and gentlemen, today, I have the privilege of talking about a truly remarkable automobile from the early days of American motoring, the Chrysler B70. This car, introduced in 1924, was not just another vehicle, it was a game-changer, setting new standards in performance, engineering, and innovation. It was the first car produced under the Chrysler name and played a crucial role in shaping the future of the automotive industry. To truly appreciate the impact of the Chrysler B70, we must first understand the state of the automobile industry in the early 1920s. At that time, cars were evolving rapidly, but many still lacked the power, reliability, and comfort that modern drivers take for granted. The roads were rough, long-distance travel was often exhausting, and safety was not a major priority in car design. It was in this environment that Walter P. Chrysler, an ambitious and visionary engineer, introduced the B70, a car designed to offer superior performance, advanced technology, and remarkable durability. One of the standout features of the Chrysler B70 was its engineering excellence. It was powered by a 3.3-liter, six-cylinder engine that produced 68 horsepower, a significant number for that time. This made it one of the fastest cars of its class, capable of reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour, which was incredibly impressive for the 1920s. The name, B70 inches itself came from this top speed, emphasizing the car's power and performance. Another groundbreaking feature was its four-wheel hydraulic brakes. In an era when many cars still relied on mechanical brakes, which were less effective and harder to control, Chrysler introduced a safer and more efficient braking system. The B70 was the first mass-produced car to feature these brakes on all four wheels, significantly improving stopping power and reducing the risk of accidents. This innovation would later become a standard feature in the automotive industry, proving how ahead of its time the B70 was. Durability and reliability were also key strengths of the Chrysler B70. Walter P. Chrysler was determined to build a car that would last, so he ensured that high-quality materials and precision engineering went into every aspect of the vehicle. The B70 had a robust steel frame, an improved suspension system for better ride comfort, and a lightweight yet sturdy body. These factors made it a preferred choice for drivers looking for a dependable car that could handle long distances and rough roads with ease. In addition to its impressive mechanical features, the Chrysler B70 also introduced a new level of comfort and style. The car's design reflected a perfect blend of elegance and functionality. It had a sleek, aerodynamic shape with refined details that made it visually appealing. Inside, passengers enjoyed a spacious and comfortable cabin, with well-cushioned seats and an ergonomically designed dashboard. This attention to detail made driving the B70 not just a necessity but a pleasurable experience. Another important aspect of the Chrysler B70 was its affordability compared to other high-performance cars of the era. While luxury brands like Cadillac and Packard catered to the wealthy, Chrysler aimed to bring high-quality engineering to a broader audience. The B70 was priced competitively, making it accessible to middle-class buyers who wanted a reliable, stylish, and powerful car without paying a fortune. This strategy helped Chrysler establish itself as a major player in the automobile industry. The success of the Chrysler B70 was immediate. It was well received by both critics and consumers, selling over 30,000 units in its first year. This strong sales performance proved that there was a demand for well-built, high-performance cars at a reasonable price. The impact of the B70 went beyond just numbers. It helped Chrysler gain a strong reputation for engineering excellence and innovation. Beyond its commercial success, the Chrysler B70 also played a key role in shaping the future of automotive design. The innovations introduced in this car, powerful engines, hydraulic brakes, strong yet lightweight construction, and a focus on comfort, became industry standards in the years that followed. Many of the features we now expect in modern vehicles can trace their roots back to the pioneering technology of the B70. The influence of Walter P. Chrysler's vision extended far beyond just this one car. The success of the B70 gave Chrysler the momentum it needed to grow into one of the biggest automobile manufacturers in the United States. It laid the foundation for future models that would continue to push the boundaries of automotive engineering and design. In many ways, the Chrysler B70 was more than just a car, it was a symbol of progress. It represented a shift towards safer, faster, and more reliable automobiles, proving that innovation and quality could go hand in hand. It was a car that set new benchmarks, changed the expectations of car buyers, and helped shape the modern automotive landscape. Even today, nearly a century after its debut, the legacy of the Chrysler B70 lives on. Classic car enthusiasts admire it for its historical significance, engineering brilliance, and timeless design. It remains a testament to the power of vision, innovation, and dedication to excellence. In conclusion, the Chrysler B70 was not just a successful car, it was a revolutionary one. It changed the way cars were built, sold, and driven, and it set a new standard for what an automobile could be. It was a car that embodied the spirit of progress and paved the way for generations of vehicles to come. Thank you.